Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be leaving the port, and I'll guide you through every step needed for a safe departure. First, we release all the lines except the forward spring. The forward spring will prevent the vessel from moving forward. Once we've created a good angle, it's time to release the last line. At this point, we're working the stern against the river's current, which will help us get to the middle of the fairway. When the ship is properly aligned, we can begin to increase speed. We aim to maintain around 3 knots. Our vessel is nearly at the maximum size for this bridge's passage limits, so there's little room for error. Due to the wind and waves outside the port, the pilot has requested we leave a bit earlier than usual. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you can guess the name of this port. Here's a small hint: it's located in the northeastern part of Europe.